Okay, Alan, some people have missed out on this table. This is a machinist table, correct?
Yep, very, very, very flat, and you prepare it each time you use it. This was made in September of 1906. That's what it dated. And it was made to be a machinist table, to make sewing machines, to make printer parts, to make car parts, to make car engines. Every part of it is totally flat.
Okay.
So you can use all your squares and all of your tools of the day, but they're all based on this table. In this way,
people just say tables are flat anyway. What are you talking about?
Well, you're going to see in a few minutes what really flat means. This is 1,006 pounds. And this is flat when we get through with our grinding stones. It's going to be about within 2 ten-thousandths of an inch being flat.
Wow. Okay, well then I'm game. Let's see this get cleaned up. See what that means.
The first step is get your stones out.
Okay.
We're grinding our table, making it flat. Then we're going to put the fine side on. So that's the first step, was what you do.
Can you tell how you're doing by the sound of those?
Yeah, you can. So if the past project you had some glue on there or something, you're going to immediately tell that that's on there. Okay. And you don't want it on there. You want it, if you're doing a project and you want to scoot that project and it's flat and it's smooth, you want it to be a clean table, because you're going to measure your angles. You're going to measure everything. You can tell so much if the table's clean. You can take a round bar and spin it on a flat table, and if it spins completely without friction, you don't even have to tell and measure it with a laser and all that stuff. You can, by spinning it, you know it's perfectly round. Okay. So the first step is this. And then the second step is we take a small weight, 100 pounds, and then we carry over the weight, which is another machinist cube. It's 10-inch square, solid steel, other than the cutouts in the center, and that is a complete 90-degree angle to the table. So we'll carry that over.
Okay.
So this is 100 pounds. You have to test your table. And again, nothing is on this, nothing is on this.
Right. Well, it's not easy to do. Okay.
Box is on there.
Wow.
The table's ready.
Wow, it is. So, this is so fascinating. So it's because both surfaces are smooth and flat.
Yes.
There's minimal friction between them.
There's no friction. And if we wanted to use our stones and play a little bit longer, we could even get less. But as it is now, you can't hear any. And I don't know if I put it down where there's a crumb there or there's a piece of dust here or something.
Sure, right.
But it's perfect. So my table is ready.
That's wild.
So then we get our project out.
Okay.
So this is our project. This is all in the 1800s. And we'll cover this video on one of the next videos that we do.
Okay, looking forward to it.
That's it. Bye-bye.
Okay, thanks, Alan.